we took it out, put another box in it, and the box did not sound right.
Okay.
So we took the box out and put this one back in because we knew this one actually sounded decent.
So you're happier with this one than the other one?
I am. I'm getting ready to get another box built, and I ran a 142.9.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick first?
Chad, and I've got 412 def balances, a 4900 watt KM, and then a 600 watt DS18 running my mids and highs.
Did you build this?
Yep.
Is there a port?
On the bottom.
Oh, there they are, okay. Is that
They're 4-inch or 3-inch ports. I got 2.
You got 8 of them. Wow. Oh, so they're separate chambers.
Yep.
There, that's cool. That's a good idea too, because it braces the box more.
Yep.
I like that. What's the cubic space on it?
I could not tell you.
You couldn't?
Just something I threw together.
Probably around 2 cubes each, my guess. Awesome. Looks good, man.
Thank you.
What? Do you have? Oh, there's your battery. Okay.
I've got 3 batteries. I've got the 2 up front, it's a diesel.
Yep.
And I've got that battery,
Got
which
it.
is a factory.
Nice. That looks good, man.
But
I appreciate the
put it
demo.
together 2 o'clock this morning.
So you actually got this sucker running.
I had everything in it. We took it out, put another box in it, and the box did not sound right.
Okay.
So we took the box out, put this one back in because we knew this one actually sounded decent.
So you're happier with this one than the other one?
I am. I'm getting ready to get another box built, and I ran a 142.9.
All right. Man.
So.
What size alternator?
I've got a factory 130 on it.
Okay.
I just had a 240 actually delivered today. Before I got here,
man.
or right after I got here.
Yes, sir. So you'll get it installed. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Chad's system. He was at the Summer Showcase in Jacksonville, Florida show where he was showcasing this system. So give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. I think it's really unique that he has 4 12-inch subs that he fit behind his back seat of his truck inside of here, and they're all inverted, so the amount of space and the enclosure is probably a little small, so inverting them gave them a little optimal space. And having these small 3-inch air ports is a definitely unique thing. Most of the time people would have put just 2 big air ports or just a slot, but he made it work with the small 3-inch air ports. So very unique style. Shout out to you, man. And these amplifiers, he already mentioned what the power were, but mounting them on the box, probably the most efficient place to put them. Seems like a really well-built box, especially having braces in between each of the subwoofers. So this is a 5,000 watt RMS system amplifier powering the subs on 412s. We're getting to the demo now. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy. Awesome. Looks good, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
This is the champagne.
That's pretty good, man, for just that. Are you?
there's your battery. Okay.
I've got 3 batteries. I've got the 2 up front, it's a diesel.
Yep.
And I've got that battery,
Got
which
it.
is a factory.
Nice. That looks good, man.
But I got-
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for the demo.
You're welcome.